that smile on your face makes it easy to trust you. This was saga feel like in the.
Hi guys, I want to say welcome back to my channel because you know what I mean. But it's been a long time. Thank you so much for tuning in, and today you'll see me achieve this look. Want to see how I achieve this look? Make sure you stay tuned in and just see how I put it all together. Thank you so much for those of you who've been supporting me for a very long time. Thank you. I really appreciate the love. I just got new equipment. Can you tell? Can you see this glow? Can you see this glow though? Like girl, come, like, okay, okay. Can you see this glow? Can you see this glow? So enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I already went ahead and did my brows off camera, and so I'm just gonna jump into the eyes, and today I'm just gonna do a very simple look.
We're free, bound only by frozen memories.
Now I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm going nude today. So guys, I'll be back with the complete finished look. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. This is the finished look, and that's just it. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.
That smile on your face makes it easy to just
This was sacha feel like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Show the silhouette look like a dollar sign. Cop caught up. That's just